So how do you know me?
I have also really, I have watched your videos on YouTube, and yeah, I would like to
Okay,
have a collab with you. So here I am.
okay. So as you know, my name is Sonam, and I stay in Mumbai. Have you ever come in Mumbai? Have you
Not
been come in
have,
Mumbai? No,
have
no. Okay. So I live in Mumbai, and currently I'm doing the job as an account assistant. Okay, and I'm also pursuing my MBA. It's my last year of MBA. Yes.
that's
So
great.
and now I'm joining the Clappingo app and for improving my English as my because my English is not very well. That's why because I just want to be work in MNC company in futures. That's why I'm just improving my English. Yes,
Oh, your English is so good. It seems good to me.
but I don't feel that because I don't feel that it's my good because in when you are going for MNC now you require a very fluent person
Yeah,
in grammar part also, so that's why I'm not in that way fluent. I can speak,
okay.
I can conversation anybody, but now when I'm going for the company now the person is thinking I'm not fluent
Okay.
because now I am speaking very well. Now I think I'm speaking very well. Before
Yes,
the Clapping Go app, na
yeah.
before the
Yes.
Clapping Go app, na I'm not speaking so very well.
How was the weather there? And yeah, it is raining here, and yeah, I mean thundering.
Here is here is
Yeah,
too hot because summer season started and here is too hot. Temperature is going to be 34, 35 degree.
yeah. It was just rained. Yeah, and also I'm on the top of my home because of the network issue. I have to come to the top of
Yeah,
my.
I can see your terrace side. You're standing. Yeah, because it's outside.
Yes.
So Pradeep, how you're doing nowadays?
Yes, it was good. Actually, yeah, I am suffering from cold now, a little bit cold. Yeah, and now I'm feeling good, and
Okay,
yes, that's it. And just uh, taking rest in my home, at my home.
okay. So what's the corona situation in Andhra Pradesh? It's rising or it's
Yeah, it is rising day by day, actually, and yeah,
oh,
that's why we were sent to our homes from the hostels. I just came to my home day before yesterday.
okay. Here is Mumbai also. Mumbai in the lockdown. We are in the lockdown till the May 1st May. Till that day in Mumbai lockdown. Yes, here is rapidly increasing the coronavirus. So we cannot go outside. And I think you people are going outside now.
No, no, we are not going to anywhere. Yeah, we're just doing our works here.
Okay. So a lot of noise is coming in your side.
Yeah, my little brother is crying. Actually,
Okay.
he's not listening to my words. Actually, he's mad at me.
Okay, no problem. So tell me something because I saw your video in sorry, what's the name? Vikas.
Huh?
Vikas.
Parveen?
English
Oh, we,
uh,
okay.
Vikas. Because I connected with Vikas when I saw and you both of your conversations about the Clappingo app. That time I saw your video. So I know little bit about yourself because I'm not going particular your channel, YouTube channel. So
Oh,
I just little bit know about yourself and and I also talk with Vikas. You
okay.
know the Vikas,
Yeah, I see.
and
I
he
see.
is yeah. And you and Vikas are conversation with what's her name in group discussion part when your conversation with one lady. One
Next,
lady, I don't know what. No, no, no. Group discussion part. She's living in Kashmir.
Ziza Farooq.
Yeah, yeah. That at that video I watched here, and yeah, very. What's your opinion is very good about whatever the discussion. Listen your all the discussion part.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, I'm also trying to improve my English fluency because the speaking part is my. I mean, it is the I'm facing with the speaking part in English. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
But what I say now, you speak. You just word is not coming. Very quickly. That's the problem you face. Whatever
Yes,
when I'm saying now, you have the knowledge about the very good. But when you're coming there speaking, you just start fumbling, and that's the issue is coming in your
right.
side.
Yes,
Yeah. So you're from English medium or like vernacular medium?
yes. I'm from English medium. Uh,
Okay.
uh,
So you are not fluency because in your English medium the people are very fluent in English. You are not speaking English.
I'm sorry. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి అశ్వ extra సేపు. I'm sorry. Sorry for the interruption. My little brother is
Yes,
very.
yes. Child are always. Okay, no issue. So what I'm telling, you're English medium and still you're not fluent in English. So why it's happened? Because you're not speaking or something else.
Because there is no English speaking environment in our school days, and yeah, when I after my school and I went to my college in at that college, the I mean, yeah, I came to know about the importance of speaking part. So yeah, but then also I don't have any friends to communicate in English, so that my I can't improve my I couldn't improve my
Okay.
English speaking part. But 2 months I started speaking to the people from different places after the clapping way actually. Yes.
Okay. You're clapping go. You joined the clapping go app, and you're now the improving your English. Okay. I'm just 1 month. I completed my with clapping go app. But I think clapping go app is very good for your practicing in English. You agree
Yes,
with me?
yes, I do agree with you because because they are professionals. They will correct our mistakes, and uh, they will give some tips and tricks to improve our to overcome our problems in that we are facing. Yeah, I do agree with you.
Okay. So which tutor is most favorite tutor? May I know?
Always Parveen Khan. And yeah, the tutors in the class are all are the best. But yeah, coming to me, my favorite tutor is Parveen Khan because yeah, she's I mean,
She's
bec-
too friendly. Whenever you're talking, she's too friendly. Because I only the one session with her, and I saw she's too friendly. I'm not feeling like I'm talking with any stranger person. So it is very good while speaking in English and very friendly. Not to feel like you're not good in English.
yeah. What about you? Who is your favorite tutor on clapping go? Clapping.
My favorite is Divyam Jain and Parveen Khan and Akhila Jyotish. Akhila Jyotish is what the name of. Yeah, Akhila. These three tutor my most favorite. If I'm going to the first rank is Divyam Jain is my foremost because I'm 3 to 4 session with him, and she's very friendly while speaking, and the way he's correcting yours, it's very good.
Yeah. I've seen your videos with Akhila ma'am this morning. I mean, yeah, she she's teaching about. I couldn't. I mean, I couldn't do it because yeah, yeah,
Yes. Because when I'm going to speak in past tense, my past tense is problem. That's why she is correcting me, because she's told me you're good in because your present tense is good, but when you're going to past tense, so grammatical mistake. That's why, because we can, when we are speaking now, we can't think about the grammar part and second form when you speak in past tense, so grammar part and second form is coming, and when in mood in speaking, so we cannot concentrate all that things.
yes, yes. Me also. I'm also having issues with the tenses. I'm also not good at tenses, and yeah, I'm
Oh,
not good at yeah.
okay. Yeah, that's the issue is coming, but in I think I have completed the 1 month, and I'm learning a lot with Clappingo app, because when i'm when I'm not joining the Clappingo app, I can't speak like that, like I'm speaking today in your
Mm.
front of you, because I was not speaking like that. I was very fumbling and hesitating, the people are what to think about me if he's not speaking that. That the thing is in my mind, but now it's not. It's all over. I think it's in my mind.
Yes. And and what else? So,
So tell me anything what you want to know about me, and tell about yourself something. What's your hobbies?
yeah, as I already said that yeah, making you. I mean, yeah, watching movies. I almost watching movies and watching Disney movie. Friends is all time favorite because of the
Okay.
Friends. Me and I mean Arvind Khan and I have the similar craziness about Friends web series. Yeah, that's why I connected to her. And
Okay. So do you have a friend practicing with English daily?
yes, yes, I have no daily. I don't have a friend who is uh, doing conversation.
Okay. Okay, you're not conversation in English, in your mother language, your conversation every time. Okay.
That's why I'm approaching like you people, you guys. I'm approaching YouTubers to have a conversation. My clapping subscription has ended actually a month ago, I think.
Okay.
That was raining.
So, okay, it's raining. So you want to go inside?
If I go inside, the network will. I mean, I will face the network issue. I mean,
Okay. But I was saw you all surrounded is very like nature.
yes,
Very good.
yeah,
All the
my village.
greenery,
Yes, my
greenery
village is
thing.
surrounded by mountains only. You can see that.
Oh,
Yes,
oh,
surround.
yes. It's a very good environment also, because it's open place, so you cannot face the problem of the like the hotness and all that.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, that's a like a big thing for the village. People are open area,
Yeah,
roaming around, and in because in I'm living in Mumbai, you have a very congested place. It's not that much of open place. You can roaming around that place. Yes. So
yeah,
Pradeep,
yeah. Okay.
anything else you want to talk with me? Any question?
Uh, yeah. Sorry, I got a call from my friend. Yeah, no questions. It's great talking to you. Actually, it started raining. I mean, the raining is
Okay.
increasing.
Okay, okay, no problem,
If
Pradeep. You can.
another conversation on any different topic.
Okay, okay.
Can
And I'm free only Sunday. If you like, I can conversation with Sunday only because every day I'm in office. That's a problem. Okay. So if you
I
like, I
can
can.
I can
Yes. Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. Okay. So bye and great talking with you. Thank you.
It's nice talking to you, Simona. Bye. Have a
Thank
great
you.
evening.
Thank you, Pradeep. You too. You too. Bye.